The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and purple, casting a serene glow over the horizon. A flock of birds streaks across this canvas, their wings beating in unison, creating a mesmerizing pattern in the sky. It's a breathtaking sight, but it also begs a question. How do they know where they're going? What guides them on these epic journeys? This is the mystery of bird migration, a phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. Every year, millions of birds embark on incredible journeys, crossing continents and oceans to reach their destinations, often traveling thousands of miles. Their navigational prowess is nothing short of astonishing, as they traverse diverse landscapes and face numerous challenges along the way. For centuries, humans have observed these migrations with a sense of wonder, trying to understand the secrets behind their precise navigation. Ancient sailors used birds to navigate, recognizing their ability to find land even when it was not visible, relying on their innate sense of direction. Scientists have dedicated their lives to unraveling the secrets of bird navigation, conducting extensive research and field studies. And yet, despite our fascination and scientific advancements, much about this phenomenon remains a mystery, leaving us in awe of these feathered travelers. What we do know is that birds possess an intricate and sophisticated internal compass, allowing them to navigate with remarkable accuracy. They don't rely on a single cue, but rather on a complex interplay of senses and instincts, using environmental cues such as the position of the sun, stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of bird migration, exploring the various ways these creatures navigate their way across the globe, overcoming obstacles and adapting to changing environments. From the use of polarized light to the detection of magnetic fields, we'll uncover the secrets behind their incredible journeys, shedding light on the mechanisms that guide them. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, marveling at the wonders of the natural world and the remarkable abilities of these feathered navigators, whose journeys continue to inspire and mystify us. Imagine for a moment that you could see the world in a way that humans can't. A world where the sky reveals hidden patterns and the light itself tells a story. Birds possess this extraordinary ability, a superpower that allows them to navigate with precision. They can perceive polarized light, a phenomenon invisible to the human eye, yet crucial for their survival. Polarized light is created when sunlight is scattered by particles in the atmosphere, creating a unique pattern. This scattering creates patterns in the sky, even on cloudy days, which are invisible to us but clear as day to birds. Birds have specialized photoreceptors in their eyes that are sensitive to these patterns, acting like a natural GPS. These receptors act like a compass, allowing birds to determine their direction even when the sun is hidden behind clouds, ensuring they never lose their way. This ability is particularly crucial for birds that migrate during the day, as it provides them with a constant navigational aid, guiding them across vast distances. Scientists believe that birds use polarized light not only for compass direction, but also for determining their latitude, a vital piece of their migratory puzzle. By sensing the angle of polarization, birds can estimate their distance from the equator, helping them stay on the right path. This information is crucial for birds that migrate long distances, as it helps them stay on course and reach their destinations safely. The discovery of polarized light navigation in birds was a major breakthrough in our understanding of animal migration, shedding light on the incredible capabilities of these creatures. It demonstrated the remarkable sensory abilities of these creatures and provided a glimpse into the complex mechanisms that govern their journeys, revealing just how sophisticated and finely tuned their navigation systems truly are. The world, as seen through the eyes of a bird, is far more vibrant and detailed than what we perceive. Birds possess the ability to see ultraviolet light, a part of the electromagnetic spectrum that is invisible to humans. This UV vision gives birds a distinct advantage when it comes to navigation and foraging. Flowers, for example, often have patterns visible only in UV light, acting as beacons for pollinating birds. These patterns guide birds to nectar-rich blooms, ensuring the survival of both the plant and the pollinator. Insects, too, reflect UV light differently than their surroundings, making them easier for birds to spot. When it comes to navigation, UV vision plays a crucial role in enhancing contrast. This enhanced contrast allows birds to see distant landmarks more clearly, even in hazy conditions. It's like having a built-in pair of binoculars, sharpening their view of the world. Scientists believe that UV vision may also help birds detect polarized light more effectively. The combined use of these two sensory cues provides birds with a robust and reliable navigational system, allowing them to navigate with remarkable precision. As night falls and the stars begin to twinkle, a new set of navigational cues becomes available to migrating birds. Many bird species possess an innate ability to use the stars for orientation, a skill known as celestial navigation. This ability is particularly crucial for birds that migrate at night, as it allows them to maintain their course even in the absence of visual landmarks. Birds don't see the constellations in the same way that humans do. Instead, they learn the general patterns of stars in the night sky and use these patterns as a celestial map. The North Star, or Polaris, plays a particularly important role in this celestial navigation system. Located almost directly above the North Pole, Polaris appears stationary in the sky while other stars rotate around it. Birds use Polaris as a fixed point of reference, much like a compass needle. By orienting themselves to Polaris, birds can determine their direction and maintain their course throughout the night. The ability of birds to use the stars for navigation is a testament to their remarkable cognitive abilities. It demonstrates their capacity to learn and remember complex patterns, allowing them to navigate vast distances with astonishing accuracy. Section 5. The Scent of Home Olfactory Navigation. The world is a tapestry of scents, and birds, with their keen sense of smell, are adept at deciphering its intricate patterns. These patterns are like invisible maps that guide them through their journeys, whether they are short daily flights or long migratory paths. While not all birds rely heavily on their sense of smell for navigation, some species use olfactory cues to supplement their other navigational tools. This combination of senses ensures they can find their way even in challenging conditions. This olfactory navigation is particularly important for birds that migrate over land, as it allows them to recognize familiar scents associated with their breeding or wintering grounds. These scents act as signposts, marking important locations along their route. Imagine for a moment the scent of pine needles warming in the sun or the salty tang of the ocean air. These smells are not just pleasant, they are crucial for the survival of many bird species. These scents, so evocative for humans, carry even greater significance for birds. They are deeply embedded in their memory and play a vital role in their ability to navigate. They represent home, a place of safety and familiarity. For birds, these scents are like a comforting embrace, guiding them back to where they belong. Birds imprint on these scents early in life, creating an olfactory map in their brains. This map is as detailed and reliable as any visual or auditory cue they might use. As they migrate, birds use this olfactory map to guide them, much like a hiker might use a topographic map. The scents they encounter along the way help them stay on course. They follow familiar scent trails, recognizing the subtle variations in odor that indicate their proximity to their destination. These trails are like invisible highways in the sky. This ability to navigate by smell adds another layer of complexity to the already impressive navigational repertoire of birds. It showcases their adaptability and the sophisticated ways they interact with their environment. The use of olfactory navigation by birds highlights the interconnectedness of the senses and the remarkable ways in which animals perceive and interact with their environment. It is a testament to the intricate and wondrous nature of the animal kingdom. Birds have an incredible ability to recognize landmarks during their migration. They use mountains, rivers, and even human-made structures as navigational aids. This helps them stay on course and find their way to their destination, year after year. One of the most fascinating aspects of bird migration is their ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field. Birds have a special protein in their eyes that allows them to see the magnetic field, which acts like a natural compass. This remarkable sense helps them navigate across vast distances, even when other cues are unavailable. Birds don't rely on just one sense for navigation. They use a combination of visual, olfactory, and auditory cues. For example, some species can detect polarized light patterns in the sky, while others use their keen sense of smell to follow scent trails. This multisensory approach ensures they can adapt to changing environments and still find their way. As we learn more about bird migration, It's crucial to consider conservation efforts to protect these incredible travelers. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution are significant threats to migratory birds. By understanding their migratory patterns, we can work towards creating safer environments and ensuring a brighter future for these amazing creatures.